Let's take a look at overlapping lines and converting them into shapes. So I'm going to look at the nose. So let's say I make my nose. So here we go. All right, so let's go here. Cool thing is, if I don't like the shape, I can modify it, right? Control tap. Let's go back, take the pen tool, and let's just go, let's say I want it here, here. Oops, hit the wrong button, and we'll come back here. All right, so let's take this and let's modify it. So you do want to make the line look as nice as you want. But look at this overlapping part right there, all right? And I'm also going to do the mustache. So I have an overlap, which I'm going to get rid of. I don't like the look of it, but I will get rid of it. So next, I'm going to make this mustache. I'll start inside of the nostril, and maybe I'll just kind of make we'll just do one of these, and I'll pull it up. All right. So the important thing is overlap, overlap, overlap. 3 areas of overlap. So before I do what I'm about to do, you make sure that you're happy with your line. Any kind of modification you want to do it now, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this line, and when I do that, it's gonna make it kind of permanent. You're not going to be able to change anything. So make sure the line work looks good. If you want to change your profile, remember we have our profiles. Maybe let's go. I'll do this one. Let's say I love that. Whatever. All right, so there we go. Overlap, overlap. Eventually, what we'll do is you'll select. All right, so just a marquee select, click, drag. Okay, 1, 2, 3 shapes are selected. And then I'm going to outline these. I'm going to make them permanent. So to do that, I'm going to go to layer, and then I'm going to expand my stroke. All right, when you hit expand stroke, the computer outlines them just like an Illustrator. The problem is there's no way to like erase or clean these up really easily, but I did find a way to do this pretty easily. So here we go. I have these objects now, basically 1, 2, 3. If you look up in the upper right hand corner, you can use your shape builder. And I don't know what it's called here. It's a Boolean operation. So add, subtract, intersect, XOR, or divide. What we're going to do is we're going to divide. So when I hit divide, what it's going to do, let me zoom in even more. It's going to take these pieces where they intersect, and it's going to separate them into separate objects. Okay, divided them. So I'll select this, delete. I'll select this part, delete. I'll select this part and delete. All right, so yeah, it's definitely tedious. You know, if you don't want to do that, just be careful when you draw your lines. But to me, it's faster just to not worry about that stuff and then go back and clean it up in the end. All right, so we're going to do this technique. I'll be back next week, and we will talk about adding color. So I'll review this a bit next week. We'll talk about how we can add color. So what I want you to do is I want you to just take a character, and I want you to try your best to ink it. All right, so just worry about the inking. If you're bored, or you have some extra time, you have some more characters you want to do, by all means, you can do more than one, but just try to get one done. I'm only expecting about 25 minutes a day from you guys, and I realize that in an art class, it's tough to work in chunks like that. So how you work is up to you. But I'm not going to ask you to do any more than that. If you want to, you choose to spend some more time, great. If you want to maybe wait till Sunday and you take an hour, you know, that's fine. If you want to just do 20 minutes a day, that's fine. You work how you work. If you have questions, you can just shoot me an email, and I can actually just do video responses to your questions. All right, so that's basically your character. You're going to sketch it. You're going to ink it with a pen tool or the pencil. And when you're finished, you're going to submit to Canvas.